Hi everyone, welcome back to Mr. English Learning. I'm Paul.
And I'm Emily. Today we have a fun and useful lesson for you. Learn English with real conversations.
Yes, we'll listen, speak, and practice real English for daily life.
That's right. Sometimes English in textbooks is a little boring or too formal.
Exactly. But real English is what people use in everyday conversations, at the cafe, at work, or with friends.
In this lesson, we'll show you how to understand natural English and how to speak with confidence.
And don't worry, we'll speak slowly, clearly, and explain everything step by step.
So grab your notebook and let's start learning English with real conversations.
1. At the cafe. Hi, Emily. What are you drinking today?
Hey, Paul, I got a caramel latte. What about you?
I'm having a black coffee. I needed something strong today.
Ha ha, long night?
Yeah, I stayed up late finishing some work.
Oh, I know that feeling. Sometimes I drink tea when I want to relax.
Tea sounds good. Maybe I'll try that next time.
So, what are you working on these days?
I'm preparing some English lessons, just like this one.
Oh, nice. Helping people learn real English?
Exactly. I want everyone to feel confident speaking English in daily life.
That's awesome. Okay, let's help our viewers practice some of the words we used here. Vocabulary and examples. Part 1. Let's look at some useful words and phrases from our cafe conversation. 1. Stay up late. To go to bed later than usual. I stayed up late watching movies. She stays up late to study. Don't stay up too late, you need sleep. 2. What are you up to? A friendly way to ask, what are you doing? Hey, what are you up to today? Not much, just relaxing. What are you up to this weekend? 3. Latte, coffee with milk. I like a hot latte in the morning. She ordered an iced latte. My favorite latte is vanilla. 4. Relax, to rest and feel calm. I relax by listening to music. Let's relax after work. You should take a break and relax. 5. Work on, to do or complete a task. I'm working on a new project. She's working on her English. We're working on our pronunciation.
Good job. Now, let's move to our next real conversation. Main dialogue. Conversation 2. Making plans with a friend.
Hey, Paul, what are you doing this weekend?
Not sure yet. Maybe I'll go hiking if the weather's nice.
That sounds fun. I might go to the beach.
Oh, lucky you. Do you want to go together?
Sure, let's go on Saturday morning.
Perfect. I'll bring some snacks.
And I'll bring drinks.
Cool. It'll be a great day.
I can't wait.
Vocabulary and examples. Part 2. Let's learn some new words and phrases from that conversation. 6. Weekend, Saturday, and Sunday. What are your plans for the weekend? I work during the week, but I relax on weekends. Let's meet this weekend. 7. Beach. A place with sand and ocean. We went to the beach yesterday. I love walking on the beach. The beach is very crowded in summer. 8. Hiking. Walking in nature, usually in mountains or forests. We like hiking in the morning. He went hiking with friends. Hiking is good exercise. 9. Snacks. Small food you eat between meals. I always bring snacks when I travel. She likes healthy snacks. Let's buy some snacks for the trip. 10. Can't wait. Very excited about something. I can't wait to see you. We can't wait for the weekend. He can't wait to try the new restaurant.
Awesome! Now, let's go to our next story, at work.
Mini story at work. I started a new job last month.
Really? How's it going?
It's going well, but sometimes I feel nervous speaking English in meetings.
That's normal. Many English learners feel that way. What helps you?
I practice short sentences before the meeting, and I listen carefully when others talk.
That's great advice. And remember, it's okay to make mistakes.
Yes, the goal is to communicate, not to be perfect.
That's great advice. And remember, it's okay to make mistakes.
Yes, the goal is to communicate, not to be perfect.
Vocabulary and examples. Part 3. 11. Meeting. A group of people talking about work. We have a meeting at 9 a.m. The meeting was very long. I spoke in the meeting today. 12. Nervous, worried, or shy about something. I feel nervous before speaking in English. Don't be nervous. You can do it. She was nervous about the test. 13. Mistake. Something you do wrong. It's okay to make mistakes. I made a small mistake in my homework. We learn from our mistakes. Brain 1-4. Advice. Helpful ideas or suggestions. My teacher gave me good advice. Here's some advice. Speak slowly. I always listen to my friend's advice. 15. Confidence. Believing in yourself. You need confidence to speak English well. He speaks with confidence. Practice gives you confidence. Excellent. Now let's do some practice together.
Extra practice. Repeat and respond. Now it's your turn, friends. Repeat after us. Ready? Repeat after us. I can speak English with confidence. I'm learning real English every day. I make mistakes, but I don't give up. I can understand native speakers. Practice makes progress.
Great. Now let's answer some practice questions. Questions for you. What do you like to drink at a cafe? What are your weekend plans? Do you feel nervous speaking English sometimes? What helps you feel more confident? How can you practice real English every day?
Pause the video, think about your answers, and speak out loud.
That's the best way to train your brain to think in English.
Okay, friends, let's review what we learned today.
We practiced 3 real conversations at a cafe, making weekend plans, and at work.
We also learned 15 useful English words and phrases like stay up late, relax, hiking, snacks, can't wait, meeting, mistake, confidence, and more.
We practiced listening, speaking, and thinking in English with real examples.
Remember, don't worry about being perfect. Focus on communication and confidence.
Exactly. The more you listen, repeat, and speak, the faster you'll improve.
Thank you so much for learning with us today.
We're proud of you. Every time you practice, your English gets better.
If you liked this lesson, please like, share, and subscribe to Mr. English Learning for more videos every week.
And tell us in the comments, what's your favorite new phrase from today's lesson?
Until next time, keep speaking, keep smiling, and keep learning English. Bye, everyone.